welcome. My name is Timothy. I want to invite on someone who's incredibly well-known in the chiropractic profession. His name is Dr. Terry Ronberg. He's the president of the World Chiropractic Alliance. He's a publisher of an international newspaper called the Chiropractic Journal that goes to doctors all over the world. He's got a scientific research journal. He's got outcome assessment programs, and he's very into research and science. And I want him to share with you so that you can hear from a doctor who actually flew out to the corporate offices and met with the science and research team for about 4 hours, and he can speak to you and let you know the power of these bioactives. Dr. Ronberg, are you available?
Yes, I'm here. Thank you, Timothy. Yeah, it was quite an extraordinary experience to be able to go to a company and find out that they actually do what they say they're doing. I've been a chiropractor. I've been in the profession for 40 years. I took care of tens of thousands of patients in my lifetime. I've trained chiropractors all over the world, and I work, as I told you, with the World Health Organization on several special projects. We have the only affiliation with the United Nations Department of Public Information in the chiropractic profession worldwide. And I personally got called by the White House in the early, about 2001, as they were vetting appointments for the White House Commission on Alternative Medicine. And it's funded by the federal government, and they called me and wanted a referral. And I referred a lady, Dr. Veronica Gutierrez, to the panel, and she was appointed, the first presidential commission anyone has ever received in chiropractic, and the only one, as far as I know. I also received an appointment, just to let everyone know my experience in chiropractic. I was one of 5 chiropractors chosen by Secretary of Defense Donald Rumsfeld 7 years ago to be appointed as a special member of the Department of Defense in the United States military to fly to Washington several times to integrate chiropractic and alternative care into the military, which is something they had never done before. And my expertise in chiropractic involves, I'm the president of the World Chiropractic Alliance, and like Timothy said, I publish a newspaper and a scientific peer-reviewed journal. And I'm very involved in what I call real health care. I received an appointment this year to serve on the board of the American Association of Integrative Medicine. So now that I've flaunted some of my highlight references in my curriculum vitae, let me just tell you that I have seen almost every multi-level program offered, many of them from Utah. Many of them are nutritional companies. I have found most of the science completely lacking or non-existent. Almost all the companies have great testimonials. Many of them, and I'm sure they're all true, I don't doubt it, but many of them have never invested any money in the scientific arena. In my profession, we're very sensitive to chiropractic factual information from peer-reviewed journals, which means panels of doctors or researchers review the submission of the article, and they check it out and they make sure that it's factual before it's published. And that's a very important process in our country because the drug companies, of course, set the standard when it comes to spending money on research, and they spend billions every year, and they're very careful and very cautious about how they promote it. But nevertheless, the alternative area is so filled with hype that we have to be extra careful because we're looked at like with a magnifying glass. When it comes to nutritional products, I flew to Utah with Timothy because I wanted to do diligence for the profession. Before I write about any type of product, I have to make sure that it lives up to what we consider a high standard in the profession. If we choose to push something or promote something that doesn't have credibility behind it, it hurts our whole profession. And as a leader in the profession, I'm very sensitive and very cautious about that. I told Timothy on the way up, if I didn't see research and I didn't get to see a real laboratory that was functional while I was there, I wasn't going to stay. The first building we went to was about, I don't know, it seemed like 250,000 square feet. It was huge. It was where they processed the Morinda citrifolia, which we know as noni. And they also had their laboratories. There were 14 scientists in the room. And I sat down and I just picked their brains. And I got at least a half dozen peer-reviewed printouts of articles that were already published in scientific peer-reviewed journals, very prestigious journals. And I have to tell you that I was more than impressed. I was so impressed that some of the discussions I've had with the company since then has evolved around what I hope to do for this company on my own, and that involves creating and forming a scientific council on bioactive clinical nutrition as part of what we're doing. But we're going to have an ongoing campaign. I was told while I was there that they're going to be relaunching the company after a very short 14 years, adding additional medicinal products, plant products, and areas of course, they're exploding the iridoid science, which is so, I can't even tell you how cutting edge this is. People are getting the results, but on top of it, when you can give a person who's interested in this product a lay version of, or an abstract or a summary of a scientific referenced article, there's nothing more powerful. I can't emphasize that enough. If you can back up what you say with science, you don't have to be excitable. You don't have to be filled with hype. You just have to tell the truth. And you can back up the truth in this company with real science. And that is the main difference between Noni and all the other companies I've seen. And I've been involved with a few of them, but I always left because of the lack of science and credibility. With this company, you'll never have to worry about that. They have spent more money. They have spent more than 10 times the amount of my entire profession in 116 years has had to spend. One company. And they've produced research at universities all over the world. And they're collaborating in research projects all over the world. But if you know where the strength comes from and what is going to make this company explode and continue to reach the masses of people that we've just barely scratched the surface with, is that it's not just brand awareness. All that part is good, but the education behind it, the factual information about the improvement in damaged DNA repair, which is the basis of all disease. So you can see that when you ingest Noni into your system every day and your family does it, they're having iridoids in their system that are much, much stronger and more powerful healing agents, phytonutrients that are bioavailable. They will get into your cells. They'll get into your blood and they'll penetrate your organs and your tissues. And that will allow your body to do what it was designed to do by our Creator, which is to self-regulate and self-heal. If you give a human body the right nourishment, it's like fertilizing your lawn. You know, we've all seen how dead lawns, when they get a good dose of even natural products, just turn luscious and green. And the same thing will happen in bodies of people that take this. Now, not everyone has symptoms. Not everyone has conditions. And I really shy away from talking about those things. I don't think that's important. As important as it is to talk to people about improved performance, improved function, improved immune systems, and a higher quality of life. I can't think of anything more important than promoting a higher quality of life. We're not on this planet that long. The health in this country is atrocious. The World Health Organization said this year that the United States is ranked 39th among healthy nations in the world. We spend $1 trillion a year on disease care, and we're failing miserably. A large percentage, over 30% of the American population is clinically obese, and over 70% are extremely overweight. That's going to kill our country, killing the people in it every day. We have to reverse this trend, and the only thing we can do is give people the finest products and the best information, give them the support they need to be able to live the lives they want to live. And everyone on this phone call has the potential to be that kind of person in carrying the message and being able to personally network and become a leader in your community and stay on these calls, go through the website and take those courses and go online and learn everything you can, because your power is going to come from your personal understanding and your consciousness and your mindfulness about what the product can do to change your life. And the people you love and your families and your neighbors and your friends, you have to be able to help those people. They desperately need our help. They're dying. And it's only the citizens of this country who take the responsibility seriously and who care enough to share the wisdom that Noni's created to be able to allow people to have a choice, to have the freedom of choice. I'm into prevention. My whole life is about wellness. The motto of the World Chiropractic Alliance is a vision of worldwide wellness. I sat in John Wadsworth's office a few weeks ago, the owner of this company, one of them, and I told him, I said, we have the exact same vision, John. We both want to see less drugs and surgery in the world, and we're going to do everything we can to make that happen. So God bless all of you. It's great to have an opportunity to talk to you. And Timothy, anytime you want me in a call, you just let me know. I've got the time to do it. I want to be able to help people understand how important their role is in health.
Awesome. Thank you, Dr. Ronberg. Guys, these products are powerful. There you heard it from a top doctor out in the world today. Thank you so much for coming on the call, Dr. Ronberg. Guys, have a great night. Get back to the person that invited you onto this call and let them know you want to get started on the product as soon as possible. Be well.